Hello everybody, today I want to show you how you can convert your normal TV in smart TV. Okay, like that. Okay, now my TV has a smart TV, but if not have a smart TV, I what I can do. Okay, sorry for my English, not is the best, but I have the solution. Okay, now the first solution is you can get a smart TV HDMI launcher. Example, this you can buy this, and with this you can get Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, all streaming apps. Okay, now you can see this convert your TV normal TV in smart TV. Okay, when you put this in your TV, the only thing that you need with this is HDMI port. Okay, because you need put this back in TV. Okay, in your TV back TV. Okay, this here in the port. Okay, now you can search find HDMI port in your TV. Okay, and put this. Okay, this is the first option. Is cheaper? No. Is expensive? No. Is cheaper? Yes, but this is the other option, more cheaper. Now you can see I put my HDMI cable in my TV. With my TV with this button here, I put my Windows screen. Okay, and put with this Netflix, YouTube, all up the streaming. Okay, now if you don't have PC computer, you can use your table or your laptop or your mobile with HDMI cable, and with this or the adapter or the what or the doesn't matter. This is for iPhone. Now you can see this is the I put this in my iPhone and put here HDMI cable, and with this I can duplicate my screen now and has this. It is very simple. It's very easier. It's easier and cheaper and fast. The only thing I like this, because with this you can duplicate your screen and charge. Okay, get more battery in your iPhone. Okay, and this is all for this video. This is the two option for convert your smart TV normal in smart TV, your TV. Okay, in smart TV. And this is all. Sorry for my English. I know that my English is awful, but have a good day.